welcome back to the channel. My name is Enos and I'm your host here at Bluegrass Trapping. In this video today I got to cover a couple things I want to cover. One being how you can get some extra money out of your coyotes. Money that some trappers just throw away. Money that you can use towards baits, lures, trapping supplies, or just put some extra cash in your pocket. I mean, who don't like extra money? I know I do. Second thing I want to cover is something I had a question on. I had a question on how to store the baits and lures during the off season without smelling up the whole garage. So I'm going to get right into the first thing, how you can get some extra money out of your coyotes. You're already hanging them up, you're already skinning them. This only takes just a little bit, just takes a minute or so per coyote, and it's real easy to do. And I'm not trying to be nasty or gross or nothing like that. I'm going to pop some pictures up here on the screen. So first, cut the anal glands out. Second, cut the bladder out. And third, cut the pad, the big pad off the bottom of the feet. I don't fool with the little ones. You can cut them off too, but I just cut the big ones off. And Dunlap Lures and Jeff Dunlap and Sarah Gomez, they have a video on Facebook on how you can extract these. I will put the link of their video in the description of this video right here. So you can go back and watch that video and it'll show you exactly how to do it. It's real simple, real easy. And they buy Jeff Dunlap, he'll buy the anal glands, the bladders, and the pad off the bottom of the feet. And you might be thinking, well, what if I don't get enough? Well, you never know what you're going to catch at the beginning of the season. But it's real easy to do, and you can do this out in the field too. You don't even have to skin the coyote. So if you're getting a coyote that's got some rub or whatnot, and the fur's no good, keep your knife with you out in the field. Just cut them glands out, take them home with you, throw them in a Ziploc baggie, and put the glands and bladders in the same bag, and just seal them up, throw them in the freezer. Next coyote you get, same thing. Throw them in there with it. Just add them to it, seal them up, freeze them, and or just zip it back up, freeze it. And the pads same way, but the pads put them in a separate bag. Real simple, real easy to do, and Jeff Dunlap will buy them, and you'll get a little extra money out of them that you can turn back into trapping supplies or whatnot. So what I done, I sent mine to. I got them back out. I got done at the end of the season, got them back out of the freezer. I sent him to Jeff Dunlap, and I asked him, I was like, instead of writing me a check, just sent me some baits and lures in exchange for the glands and the pads. So what I got in this box right here, coming in the mail the other day, I already opened it up. I done a whole unboxing on it, but after I got done, I realized I didn't have my mic plugged into the camera. Yeah, what a bummer. Season. I'll still have to buy a lot of baits and lures, but this is like $100 worth I don't have to buy, plus shipping costs. They sent me some Soul Taker, and I didn't know what he was sending me. I told him just send me whatever you recommend, and I'll be good with that, and I'm happy with it. Soul Taker, Predator Bait, Rage Predator Bait. Really been wanting to try this out. Both of these actually. I've used some of your lures on the line. I've never used any of your baits, so I'm excited to try that. Mascara, mouse meat bait. That's a good lure. That's a good lure right there. I used it last season. Cat Reaper. Definitely use this for bobcats. I have not tried this, and I can't wait to try it. It's coming up season. Last but not least, Cryptic Coyote Gland. 4 ounces of Cryptic Coyote Gland. I've really been looking forward to using this one. So I can't wait to use this. That's what I got out of my glands. That's all stuff that I could. That's like $100 worth of stuff that I don't have to buy come trapping season. And like I said, I'm gonna have to buy a lot of baits and lures, but this is all stuff now that I don't have to buy. So I appreciate it, Jeff. Can't wait to give these a shot out there this year. Trapping season, I'm confident they're gonna be great. So yep, that's how you do that. Second thing I want to cover, I had a question on how to store baits and lures during the off season without smelling up the whole garage. Me personally, I love to smell baits and lures, and I don't mind the smell at all. Every time I smell them, I think of trapping. But maybe you're sharing your garage space with your spouse, or maybe you don't like to smell baits and lures, and it's always best to keep the wife happy. So if the wife don't like the smell, I got a way you can cover it up. So you can thank me for that. So here's what you can do to prevent smelling up the whole garage. Take your old cooler. I just got an old cooler right here. I don't use it anymore for anything else. Put all your baits and lures in there. I'll show you in a minute. I got a bunch in there. Put them in there. A lot of times what I do, I just set my lure bag in that and close it. It's big enough to do it. When you close that lid, you're still going to smell. Some of that smell's still going to get out. If you're new to trapping, some of these baits and lures got a real strong skunky smell to them. And sometimes people just ain't used to that smell. They don't like that smell in the garage or whatnot. So if you close this lid, some of that will still come out. So if you want to prevent any of that from getting out in your garage, what you can do, get you a couple bags of kitty litter. I'll pop a picture up here. Get you a couple bags of kitty litter, and just make sure the tops are on real good, because you don't want them to dry out. And just cover them up with kitty litter, cat litter. And then close the top on it, and that'll pretty much contain any smell that they put off. You can close that top. With that top closed, you won't know they're in there. So that's how you do that. I just wanted to give these quick little tips today. And guys, I really appreciate you watching. Check out the video. Click the link in the description, the video of how to extract the glands. And I hope that helps somebody out. Always remember, slow down, take your time, enjoy your passion. Thank you, Rooster. See y'all on the next one.